Election is about Obaseki.
Yes, sir.
If Obaseki is to come back as governor for second term, we must win this election.
Amen.
I go vote for Crosby. Yes. He did there before. Eribo did there before. You know they come out. What thing will they say? They say, Ward 6, we now go give them the highest number of votes. You go carry on in 70 units. When I know that waterworks went at the end of this road, for this beer budget, I don't put 500 million. Because I want to do something there. I want to do what they call entertainment park. I don't put that for budgets. They don't pass the budget. When I go hold up people when they go Abuja, then they help us bring money, turn our money, make we go.
The people have spoken. The righteous have spoken. You people voted for me the last time. With respect and regards, you said, Eribo, go to the House of Assembly. Go for one reason. Go and support APC government. Go and support Obaseki government. I have not betrayed APC. I will not betray Obaseki.
Okay, now bow I want to stand. Any election, any booth, Mutia, a youth where you go. Mayane, already Makatasi, a Buari, DJ, Godo, I do want to go to Migo. Any Mare, Eribo, alias Chopper Tema.
He said go, he don't enter. The reason why in assembly go House of Assembly the last time, now to go follow the APC governor work, to go protect him. My leader don't talk, I'm here just now. Not up to 2 weeks. Obaseki bring budget come House of Assembly. Now so all APC members, the 20 of us, we sit down. PDP want to, we knock them out. We pass that budget in 2 weeks.
Don't change my name to Godwin. I no more, I don't buy more to Godwin. I say my back.
Oh, darling, Orion. God bless all of you, and we thank you for waiting. God bless you. Thank you very much.